Welcome, everyone, to today's interior design tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking you through the process of decorating a stunning marble bathroom floor using a range of essential components. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Preparing the foundation. First things first, ensure your subfloor is clean and level. Lay down the underlayment to provide extra support and moisture protection for your marble tiles. Step 2. Creating an even surface. Apply a layer of tile adhesive onto the underlayment. This adhesive will securely hold the marble tiles in place. Use tile spacers to maintain uniform gaps between the tiles for a professional finish. Step 3. Laying the marble tiles. Now comes the exciting part. Carefully lay your marble tiles on the adhesive. Take your time to arrange them in your desired pattern. The elegance of marble will shine through. Step 4. Grouting the tiles. Once the tiles are in place, it's time to fill in the gaps with grout. Spread the grout over the tiles, ensuring all gaps are covered. Wipe off excess grout to reveal the beauty of the marble. Step 5. Adding finishing touches. With the foundation ready, let's move on to the fixtures. Place your bathroom vanity, bathtub, shower stall, toilet, and cabinetry strategically to maximize functionality and aesthetics. Step 6. Reflecting elegance. Hang a carefully chosen mirror above your vanity to reflect light and create a sense of space. A mirror with a marble frame design can add a touch of luxury. Step 7. Illuminating the space. To highlight the beauty of your marble floor, install suitable light fixtures. They'll not only illuminate the area but also enhance the overall ambience. Step 8. Enclosing the shower. If you have a shower stall, consider a sleek glass enclosure. It keeps the water contained and adds a modern, open feel to the bathroom. Step 9. Adding accessories and comfort. Incorporate bathroom accessories like towel bars, hooks, and shelves. Ensure proper ventilation with a ventilation system. For added comfort, consider installing a heating system beneath the marble floor. Complete the look with baseboard trim. Step 10. Protecting your investment. Last but not least, protect your marble floor with a high-quality sealer. This will prevent stains and moisture from penetrating the marble, ensuring its beauty lasts for years to come. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated marble bathroom floor that exudes elegance and sophistication. Remember, the right combination of components and thoughtful design choices can transform any space. Thanks for joining us today.